everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about unboxing a art doll that I bought from my friend Barbara, aka MissCeriseDolls on Instagram. I already opened the outer box, but we still have the inside box to go through together. As you can see, here she is inside. I love that she's put in the effort to put it in a real box, so to speak. And then we have a little sticker that says Midnight in Wonderland, and that is the name of the collection that this doll is a part of. And it says MissCeriseDolls on the front. And this doll is actually the Queen of Hearts that she created as a part for her collection, inspired by Alice in Wonderland. Buttons. So here we have a lovely picture of her and some little cards that I think were like, yeah, these are like her minions, little card people. Spade, and here's like an Alice picture and the stand for the doll. It's always wrapped up nicely. And then there is just Midnight in Wonderland. This is about the collection that the doll is. The camera is almost about to die, so hope it will survive this video. There's a letter with a sealed wax seal thing that says "with love." Thank you so much, Barbara. I'm gonna read that off camera. Halloween greetings. Then it's like 2 Halloween postcards. This is so nice. Thank you. And we have more goodies. I didn't realize she packed so much to go with it. Oh, this is one of those, I'm gonna open it right now. It's like a little fan that you can go like this with. Yep. Fun. More packaging. There's this little box, just the middle box, and then we have another mystery bag full of like seeds and something else. They smell really good, so I'm not sure what those are. Okay, and then we have little like confetti sparkly hearts that she has sprinkled all over the package, which I think is just such a lovely ad. And now here is the doll. Cut that ribbon. And there's this little card that says her name, and then little heart. And this gold wrapping paper, tissue paper. Trying not to rip it too much. Oh my god, she is so much more prettier than in the pictures. Oh my god, look! I just I love her hair. I didn't realize it was like this color, but I love it in real life. I need to zhoosh her up a little bit. I think her dress is a little bit smashed from the shipping. And then there's tiny hearts all over her. And then her like straggly crown. She is just, oh my god, the level of detail and everything. And I love Barbara's style. It's a little bit like mysterious and a little bit like grungy and not so like dainty and girly. It's more like rock and roll in a way. And yeah, just look at her shoes. These are like something that Lady Gaga would wear. I love it. I adore her. Thank you so much, Barbara, for selling your art. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna get you some close-ups of her. Here is some close-ups of her lovely, lovely face and her adorable straggly dress that I'm totally in love with. I love this shade of red. It's like a raspberry, or like a dark raspberry, I would describe it. It's not like pure red. And then are the shoes that are like so avant-garde or something high fashion. I don't know. I'm just speechless. Yeah, and her hair is like so soft. I think this has to be like some sort of natural fiber. And look at her face with that little heart. I adore it. I absolutely adore it. Here are the little cards. That is Alice. And then we have the little minions for her. I love these little cards. I love stationery so much. Here is the Halloween cards that she sent me. There's a pumpkin, and then there's like these little two children looking at Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet done that. Like this video and leave a comment about what you think of her. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!